How do I look? How do I look is a very common question in daily life. We always care about our appearance in public. Let's watch these situations to see how people use this question to ask other people's opinions about our look. Situation 1: Preparing for a date. Hi, Jane, what's up? Come in. Hi, Mina, could I borrow your portable charger? I need to go out soon, but my phone's battery is running out. Okay, let me find it. Take a seat. Jane, by the way, how do I look? Wow, you look gorgeous, Mina. Is there any special occasion today? Yes, I'll go on a date with my boyfriend. It's our 1 year anniversary today. Oh, really? No wonder you dressed up so pretty today. Here's the portable charger. Thanks, Mina. I'll recharge it and give it to you tomorrow, okay? Sure, no problem. Jane, I need your opinion. Do you think this dress is too formal? For a normal date, maybe. But this is an anniversary, so I think it's fine. It's beautiful anyway. Yeah, I just feel a bit uncomfortable because it's a bit tight. I bought it last summer when I was thinner. In that case, you may try another one. I don't think wearing a tight dress for a few hours is a good idea. You should be in the most relaxed state to enjoy the date. You're right. Let me try another one. I don't want to torture myself on such an important occasion. How about this one? And this dress matches your makeup tone very well. Try it on then. Okay, please wait for me a bit. Oh, do you need to leave soon? Sorry, I forgot you have to go out. It's fine, I still have 30 minutes, plenty of time. No worry. Okay, I'll try it on now. How do I look now? Wow, I have to say, you look amazing in that dress. Definitely a better choice. Thank you for your compliment, Jane. Next time, I'll have to ask you about those makeup things, Mina. You're really good at it. I have no idea what to do with those makeup brushes, haha. Okay, just tell me if you need it. I'd love to give you a hand. Thanks. I'll leave now, Mina. Enjoy your special time tonight. Thanks, Jane. See you. Making a TikTok video. If you ever want to be humbled, ask your brother how you look. I'll try it with my younger brother first. Jack, come here. What? Come on, just come. What's wrong, Laura? How do I look? What? How do I look? Just answer, be honest. Hmm, you look like an idiot, haha. Excuse me? How dare you? Well, because you said to be honest, didn't you? I have to tell the truth. Can't you say something nicer to me? Don't be too straight. What else did you expect? You stay in bed all day with that messy hair. So, I'm sure Jerry won't be like you. Okay, try. Let's see. But why are you recording? Are you doing something shady? I'm not gonna tell you. Are you doing the silly TikTok trend again? Last time I saw you doing some weird moves inside your room. I almost died laughing. Well, you'll know soon. Remember to show your face with that messy hair in your video. Thanks, you can leave now. Now let's ask my dear older brother Jerry. Jerry.
What's up, Laura?
I want to ask you something.
Okay, go ahead.
How do I look?
Why?
I was just wondering, how do I look?
Right now?
Yes, right now.
Awesome.
What?
You look pretty as you always do.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course. My little sister is always cute.
Oh, thank you a lot, Jerry. Jack said I look like an idiot with this messy hair.
Why are you asking?
No, I was just curious how you would react if I asked you so suddenly.
Really? So, how was the result?
Very satisfied. I didn't expect you would say such a nice thing to me. Thanks again, brother.
You're welcome. Did he say the same thing as I did, Laura?
I told you, he said I was cute.
Boring.
Learn from your brother, okay? That's how to treat your sister.
Don't mind him, Laura. He just likes telling jokes with you.
Have a new haircut. Lisa, over here. Hi, Amy. You're all right. I'm good. Nice hair. I was so eager to see your new hair. Did you just get back from the hair salon? Yes, I came here straight away. How do I look? You look amazing with the new hair. Very feminine and stylish at the same time. But you really surprised me, Lisa. I know that you want to have short hair, but I didn't expect you would dye it pink. That's a bold decision. Right? I saw another girl in the hair salon color her hair pink, and it was so gorgeous that I couldn't resist. I love this color too. What exactly is the name of this pink color? The hairdresser said it's a rose gold pink. She told me this color is trending this year. Such a beautiful color. You must be very happy with the new hair. I'm happy, but only until the hair was finished that I realized it'll be a bit difficult to choose clothes that match my hair. Oh, yeah, but don't worry. If you dress up properly, you'll look like a superstar for real. The hairdresser said so too. She said I should choose a youthful style of fashion. Or the easiest way is to dress in black or white color, but I'm still a bit confused. You can search online and learn different dressing styles. By the way, did she teach you how to take care of the new hair? Will your hair be weaker after being colored? Yes, she said it'll be weaker and drier. That's why she gave me a hair serum bottle to use every day. That's good. How about we go shopping for some clothes later? New hair, new clothes, the best combo, isn't it? Let's go. I really have no idea how to dress with this hair color. I need your help. Don't worry, I've got your back.